Welcome back to Ziggle Kids Club. You're doing amazing. Now let's practice subtracting 4. When we take away 4, the number gets smaller by 4 steps. Let's work through these together. Let's go. First, 4 minus 4 equals 0. Next, 5 minus 4 equals 1. Then, 6 minus 4 equals 2. After that, 7 minus 4 equals 3. Now, 8 minus 4 equals 4. Moving on, 9 minus 4 equals 5. Continuing, 10 minus 4 equals 6. From there, 11 minus 4 equals 7. Following that, 12 minus 4 equals 8. Also, 13 minus 4 equals 9. Then we have 14 minus 4 equals 10. Finally, 15 minus 4 equals 11. Fantastic job! You just mastered subtracting 4. Look at how strong your math skills are becoming. Let's keep going. Our next subtraction challenge is coming right up. Thanks for watching Ziggle Kids Club. Hit the like and subscribe button. If you'd like to support our kids' learning videos, you can donate using the link in the description. Every little bit helps us create more fun lessons for our young learners. Goodbye.